Oh, that bitch lays. Talking about laying. Shit, them bags are fast. Ooh, pulled up to Owls and they got a nice little. Ooh, I like that. Damn, the sun coming out too. He flaked out on the top. What year is this, boss?
54.
Ooh. That boy got the true spokes on here. With y'all favorite tire. They look good. Ooh, that's nice. Dash got a little mural. Oh boy, but he got the screen in it though. Don't get it twisted. Eh. Ooh, what y'all think about that 54 Chevy? Ooh, I like the damn plates on it too. It's a little bit too old. I can appreciate it. It's a little bit too old for me. Personally, this is Belair. Boy got him his thing ready, boy. Fresh shirt in the back window. That's clean. I like that. And then, ooh, we got a Cutlass with the bubble clip cover. Little engraving hits. What y'all think about the leaf and the pinstriping? I like this one. This is like that variegated color. I like that one. Boy got that powder blue with the white. Ooh, that shit hard to keep clean. I bet. And then he got engraving and paint on the A-arms. What y'all think about that? I personally don't like engraving, but that's pretty clean. They did a little different. Big old frame hanging down. That's the only bad thing about these. Especially when you do a different color. You definitely notice it. Ooh, actually my favorite part about this whole car is the guts. Look how OG they look. Oh, he got a roof. Yeah. With a Nardi. Oh, we're gonna check out the guts right now. What's up, dog? What's up? What's up, baby?
Joe? Yeah, Joe. He cool. Who strapped this up? Loki. Oh, did he? Yeah. Oh, nice. Yeah. And the right way.
Oh, that boy got that digital dash in there too, I could tell. With the OG dash. Ooh. I like that.
But
Can I open the door? Oh yeah. Look how OG the guts is. That's my favorite part. Ooh, y'all know I love me some pillows, Cutlass, Cadillac, everything. But I got that roof in it too. Old school too with the 4-pack. That's my style. I love the 4-pack in the back deck. I ain't gonna lie. The dash is nice, dog. I love, man, this is my favorite part of this whole car is how OG the interior is. I wouldn't do shit. Maybe get a darker carpet. That's about it. Boy, got him the Nardi.
No, the blue that I painted. Oh, right. Simple.
Yeah, I like that.
Don't see the junk in the trunk? Yeah, that's the junk in the trunk.
Oh shit, this fool. God damn. Adex, piston.
I need some bags.
Yeah.
And he got some beat in it at least. God damn, that bitch.
I put them on Elisa's truck so that bitch stop falling here.
Oh, see?
He got the fats. That's the telescopes.
I got 4, but if they're the same like the ones in the back.
I ain't gonna lie, my favorite part about this whole car is the interior. It's just so OG, dog. I just like it. Ooh, LS swap. Watch out. Hey, man, this Cutlass got everything done to it. That's nice. That's nice.
That's why he didn't want to change the interior.
You can't get that back. Me personally, like, I don't care who redoes it. It's OG. Of course, I guess now this is a full build. I guess he kind of have to do the interior now, right?
Yeah. One of those things.
It's nice. Boy, laid out. Definitely looks good on the flow. Alright, first thing, swap out the bags on this old school. I'll pop this side off. I got this side loose. This suspension is weird. I ain't never seen suspension like this. I never worked on none of this old. So I got that hole loose. I can't take that line off. Let me keep trying. He going with a little bit smaller bags. These are the ones that are out of it. Now we popping on the smaller ones. I guess he was scared of them rubbing. There was nothing wrong with them. The only bad thing is now the hose don't match. Alright, the new bags, they're a lot smaller than the old ones. They in on both sides. It was a lot harder than you would think. Had to basically make the holes a lot bigger because the holes were different. But there we go. There we go, back on the floor. He letting the air charge up. Yes, sir. Oh yeah. Oh, that bitch lays. Talking about laying. Shit, them bags are fast. All right, next on the agenda, minute truck action. I'll put the Z-Rack on this frame. Now we gotta put back the cylinders. He said the pump's already wired. Everything ready to go. Put the cylinders in that joint and check it out. I don't remember how the cylinders went, I'm gonna be honest with y'all. Even though I helped to take them off. Think before you hit, because if not, that shit gonna go everywhere. We're trying to figure out how the cylinders used to go. He got all the wiring done and everything. We put the first stage. Oh no, wrong.
What's put it out?
Straight on 2 and 3.
Both of them?
2 and 3 squirted out. Yep.
The fuck? Oh, you know what? I bet you it pressures up the whole block.
No matter what.
These are called blockers. So I think we do have to hook up a whole. These are called blockers. So I'm thinking it pressures up the whole block, and
First.
these stop the fluid from hitting it all the cylinders, but it's still gonna run oil through the whole block. So yeah, let's hook up the hoses. You know what? It might not be in the oil anymore.
Now, right?
It's leaking.
That first one. There it goes.
Okay, that is the fourth stage.
right. We've been messing with it. We kind of semi-plumbed the shit just so he got to redo the wiring. He's a little bit, I don't understand wiring that good, so I can't even explain to y'all, but it's just a certain way you got to wire it since it's only got one pump and one set of solenoids, but it has 4 different actions on that deal. It's a 4-stage, so yeah, we figured out it's a wiring issue, so he's gonna look back at the wiring. Doesn't look like we're gonna finish this one today. I wanted to see the bed back on this hoe, but we'll see.